iContro manufacturing. Under the iContro manufacturing, we look at how we do the production line and scheduling. So using the iContro production line scheduling, you can use a single planner to do all those monitoring of your production orders and how to manage your shop floor and everything. So first thing is when it comes to the production line scheduling, so what makes a good production plan? So the first thing is to maximize your productivity. First thing is every company needs a sound production plan. However, effective production planning is a complex process that covers a wide variety of activities to ensure that materials, equipment, and human resources are available for a fully optimized when and where they are needed. Production planning is like a roadmap. It helps you where you are going and how long it will take to go there. So next thing is what are the advantages of an effective production planning and scheduling. So based on the priority of your work to be finished, you can move forward and backward of the work orders. So based on the priority of the orders, so you can drag and drop, moving all those orders to front and back. So next one is the reduced labor cost by eliminating wasted time and improving your process flow. So at the same time, this will increase the reduce the cost of the manufacturing also. So next one is the reduced inventory cost by decreasing the need for safety stock. So based on this, you can set your safety stock to a minimum level so it will reduce the inventory. Based on, you can reduce your purchases also. So next one is optimize equipment usages and increase capacity of usage of machines. The next one is like the improved on-time deliveries of products and services. The final thing is like for the planner, he can have the Gantt chart representations based on the work center, based on the production order, based on the customer orders, even based on the individual SKU and even by machine, so that he will know based on this order, this machine, how busy it is and what is the capacity, so that he can have everything on his fingertips. The next one is the centralized shop floor. In the centralized shop floor, we have contingency planning, like managing resource conflicts. So ease of use by moving forward and backward of the production orders, and the final thing is like Gantt chart. So first we look into the contingency. The iContro production line scheduling helps the planner to do the planning based on the contingency plan. So in advance, so that he can plan for all the production orders in advance. So this will help the planner to know by which date the orders will be completed and everything. So once you select the work center and click the retrieve existing live scheduling, so all the new production orders will be listed below. So to do the planning, he can just drag and drop the bunch of orders he need. So once you click refresh current scheduling, it will auto update. So whatever orders you don't want, he can just drag them down and click. Once you click, so based on the calendar setup, the system will automatically do the calculation for you. So by which day the process will be completed, so that the next order will be coming into process. So once you click OK, the order will be started to do the operation. So once the contingency has been done, next one is how you manage your resources. On the production side, managing the resources like machine and the shop floor employees is one of the major problem for the planners. So by using the iContro production line scheduling, they can easily manage all those resources like machine and the shop floor employees. Suppose if on the production order they forgot to assign the machine for the particular order, they can just click here, line edit operation details, and assign the machine for the particular order based on the work center. So the same way they can reassign the ample shop floor employees. They can change if someone is on MC or someone has already left. So once they click OK, it will automatically update. So if they want to do any parallel schedules or parallel runs between the production orders, they can just right click and tick parallel scheduling. And if you want to remove the parallel scheduling, they can just untick the parallel scheduling. So once they refresh, based on the calendar, the system will auto do the parallel scheduling for them. Suppose if they came to know that the particular machine is on breakdown, or the machine is on the maintenance, so they can just right click, insert phantom whip schedule record. So this will help the planner to do so which work center, so which machine code, so the particular machine one is on maintenance or breakdown. So they can set so how many hours. So if they were to do the 1 hour maintenance run or something, so they can click 1 hour and click OK. So it will auto insert the phantom record for the planner. So once they click, so it will block the particular period. The same way, if they want to, once they click OK, it will auto do the scheduling for the planner. The next one is like the managing your resource conflicts. Another main issue on the production side is to do the conflicts. So you can see on the production line scheduling on the right side, you can see the planning conflicts here. All these are the conflicts. Conflicts are nothing but if two different production orders are using the same machine at the same time, so it will be showing as a conflict. So it is in real time, it is not possible to do two different orders on the same machine, so it will be showing as a conflict. So then and there the planner can see the whichever conflict, so you can go to the particular order number. You can go to the particular order number and click on line edit operation details. So you can change the machine to whichever machine, to a different machine, whichever it is free, and if it is between the shop floor employees, you can assign and reassign the shop floor employees. Once you click OK, automatically the scheduling will be auto updated for the planner. So no need to do all those manual things for the conflicts. Once they do the different machine setup and everything, automatically the conflicts will be gone away. Next one is like moving forward and backward with ease of use. So once the planner has already done the scheduling, so if there is any changes in the scheduling or there may be any urgency in a particular production order, you need to do the rescheduling again. So in the control, you can just if the particular order is an urgency based on the priority of the order. So once if the priorities is available, you can set the priorities. So once based on the priority, you can drag. If the order is urgent, you can drag to the top based on the urgent orders, and if the order is on the normal scale, you can drag to the bottom. And once you have done this, you can just click refresh current scheduling. Once you have done the refresh current scheduling, it will automatically do the calculation of timings for you. So no need to manual. Once you click OK, automatically the scheduling is done for you. Next one is a Gantt chart representation for the planner and for the sales people also. Once you have done already done the scheduling, the other major part is like to know when the order will be completed based. Generally, you can do the planning, but sometimes you cannot know when the order will be completed based on the work center or based on the machine or based on the production order or something. So if you want, iContro system also have the Gantt chart representation to know by work center, by production order, by sales order, or by machine also. So you can suppose this is based on the work center, you can select the work center. So scheduling date, once you click find, automatically the system will generate a Gantt chart for you based on the scheduling. So you can get a Gantt chart for your reference. So based on the work center and based on the dates. So you can let your customer and the salesperson know by which date the order will be completed. So you can even print the chart and give back to your salespeople. So this is how the Gantt chart works. So these are the features of iContro shop floor production line scheduling.